Choosing between brick and stone for your home. Dear friends, when designing the exterior of a home, it's important to consider factors such as the style of the home, the budget, and the climate. Choosing materials and features that are durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance can help save money and time in the long run. There are several factors to consider when deciding between brick and stone for your house. Durability. Both brick and stone are known for their durability and long lifespan. However, brick may be more susceptible to damage from freeze-thaw cycles and may require more maintenance over time. Stone, on the other hand, is generally more resistant to weathering and may require less maintenance. Aesthetic. Both brick and stone can be used to create a range of different looks for your house. Brick is generally a more traditional choice, while stone can be used to create a more modern or rustic look. Consider which aesthetic you prefer and how it will fit in with the rest of your neighborhood. Cost. The cost of brick and stone can vary significantly depending on the type and quality of the materials you choose. Historically, brick was considered less expensive than stone. That is changing with developments in real stone veneer. Ultimately, the cost varies depending on the specific type of brick or stone you choose and various installation factors. Energy efficiency. Both brick and stone can be good choices for energy-efficient homes. Brick is a good insulator and can help to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Stone is also a good insulator and can help to regulate the temperature inside your home. Ultimately, the decision between brick and stone for your house will depend on your personal preferences and the specific needs of your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.